Next one, I would like to call Lakshmi Malik. Please come on the stage with big round of applause.
So we have.
So good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Today I'm gonna talk about my speech that can make history or that can change history. So can you guess the topic?
Yes.
As you know, powers of words. So today my topic is powers of words. So today I'm gonna talk about my topic is powers of words. What do you understand by the topic of powers of words?
I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Words can lots of power. What defines our feelings?
Yes. As you said, what defines our feelings? Words are lots of power. So according to me, words are very powerful in everyone's life, even in my own life, because no one can deny that there is no powers in words. Am I right or am I wrong?
Right.
If you want to be successful in your life, so you just have to play with words. Words play an important role in our life. Words can express your emotions, your personality, your behavior, your way of talking, everything, just literally everything. Because maximum people can recognize you by the way of your talking. And first of all, always remember that first you just have to get to know your surrounding well, and after that you just have to think before you speak, because your first impression is your last impression ever and ever. So it's totally depend on you what you have to do. And everyone know that without meaning words are useless. As I said in the starting of my speech, that is what can make sure that words can change history. Let's we take an example of our prime minister. Our prime minister is currently Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Have you ever listened his speech?
Yes.
Maybe you noticed that the way that he give his speech, he know how much power in words, and he play with words. You can see that where is he then and now where is he. So words can change everyone's life totally. And now we take another example. Have you ever seen a foreign news channel?
Yes.
Probably you may see Janvi Pawar.
Yes.
She is an Indian girl. She is a reporter in foreign channels, and she is know how much power in words, and she is know 9 accent. She speak 9 accent English very well, and she is very talented girl. You can see that where is she now, and what can change everyone's life totally. And if you want to be teacher in your life, so you just have to play with words, because words can change your life, everyone's life. Your student lives can change by your words. I am also great believer in power of words, because they are great sharing positive affirmation over someone's life. Words carrying so much power. They are the seed that you grow in the world that make wholesome grow. And the words have only power to separate positive affirmation from negative. So always remember that your word can change someone's lives. Now we talk about what can change everything, like what can make you laugh, what can make you smile, what can make you cry, what can make you laugh, what can make you inspire, what can make you motivation, what can change your mindset, what can change your point of view, what can change everything, and what can make everything, what can destroy everything. So if you want to be speaker in your life, motivation speaker, so you just have to be know how much power in words, because words can change someone's life. And your motivation, your every words is totally stairs of everyone's life. It makes someone success, and it's also be the part of your success. So always remember that words has lots of power. You have to use your words wisely, because if we crunch our papers, it cannot be same as this before. So always remember that we can't have to sing, we can't have to say wrong words to other, because it can hurt his heart, but sometimes words can feel it, but sometimes word can never leave, word can never fix it. So words carrying lots of power. Make sure you understand that my speech, now I'm finish my speech with a quote, that is, शब्द की शक्ति तुम्हें ऊंचाई तक ले जा सकती है और वही शब्द की शक्ति तुम्हें गिरा भी सकती है. That's all about my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good clapping for